Yo, what is going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I have a complete new way for you guys to make money dropshipping in real life without having any money to start off. This guy's been killing it with the in real life dropshipping on the marketplace, producing $30,000 a month in profits, and it's just an incredible strategy. He's been teaching me a little bit about it. So if you're one of the guys just wanting to start dropshipping, let's say you want to get into Facebook ads, you obviously know that this is going to cost you some money. So if you don't have a budget to start off, there's probably not an excuse anymore, because this is the way for you to make, easy couple of $1,000s that you can reinvest to the stock market or dropshipping. This is obviously a dropshipping channel, so if you're smart, you can do the strategy. He will teach you everything, and you put that money into Ecom. This is untapped as well. You should probably not even talk about it because it's, such a new strategy. Nobody's on it. You get repeated success. I'll let him introduce himself. If you like this video though later on, please just make sure to smash a thumbs up on it, and please just subscribe. And if you want to get in touch with him later on, his Instagram is here, and I'll plug it again once more later. And if you want to join my dropshipping coaching, my Instagram will be here.
I feel really fancy with these glasses. But what's up, guys? My name's Cameron. I basically come today with something that I wish that I knew back when I was 16, 17 years old. I'm 21 now. We're in Mexico, by the way. We've done this all in the past 5 months. It's just been crazy. I kind of stumbled upon this strategy. What it basically is how he said, is in real life drop shipping. Basically, I utilize the Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Mercari, all these apps that you can sell online. It's super easy. It just comes down to strategy, with everything. Shopify, I guess, in hindsight, is pretty easy. You just have to have a strategy. You have to know what you're doing. I have perfect negotiation tactics. I know everything to do, and I'm going to tell you in a minute how it starts. But yeah, I just kind of stumbled upon this a couple months ago, and it's completely changed my life. So basically what it is say Henrik is selling this iPhone 12 for $500. Overpriced, I know, just disregard the price. He's selling it for $500. I'll negotiate with him. There's going to be a lot of people that are selling the similar item, but with, different prices and everything. With my negotiation tactics and everything, I'll find someone. There's going to be a lot of people that say no. There's going to be a lot of people be there in the middle, I don't know, I don't want to do it. But I'm going to find someone that's down to drop their price significantly, okay? I'm going to talk to a lot of people, and this requires a lot of messaging, but you're just negotiating with my tactics. And then I'm going to find someone to say, for this example, that I can get them down to $300 on an iPhone, all right? I'll take the iPhone, I'll post it on my page. Like I said, you could do it on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, anything. I'll sell it for $500-$600, same amount, let's just say $500, the exact same thing he was. He didn't have any success, or he just sold it a little too early to me. If he would have left it up, perhaps he would have gotten a sale off the $500, but I'll post it on my place on a couple different apps, Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook. I'll use the same pictures, everything. I'm going to be kind of vague here because it is different with each person. You have to find your own tactic. I have my own super good strategy. It's literally, it sounds corny, but 99% success rate. I literally get it every single time, just with the way I talk to them, with the way I structure my pictures and my descriptions, and the way I negotiate and talk to people, because you have to find people that are down to get it shipped. I'll end up talking to them, and then someone will buy it off me for $5. I'll buy it off him for $300, but I don't spend money until I make money, and that's what's key. You don't spend money until you make money. So you could technically, and how I started it, I didn't use any of my real money, I literally used other people's money to buy the product, and then I kept the profit. It's super easy. For instance, the first month I made around $5,600. The second month around $16,000, and then the third month I made $30,000, and that's been consistent. And it's been insane. It's literally so simple.
Yes, guys, you heard it here first. And the one thing that we were talking about a little bit earlier was, the thought of automating this business. If you get this thing automated, you're gonna make a lot of money. I look at it as a real big business. Dropshipping is not really hard. I'm gonna be honest, it's not really hard, but it requires a strategy, and people often confuse hard with requiring a strategy. The only thing you need to make the marketplace work is a strategy. It's not hard, but if you don't have the strategy, you probably won't make too many sales, I would guess, unless, you make your own, but that's gonna be a whole lot of trial and error, I'm sure. But it's all about the strategy, because nothing is, particularly hard. It's more about the strategy, and that's the same when I run into Facebook. It's all strategy, right? But this thing, it's so untapped right now, nobody's into it. And once you get this thing automated, I see this thing produce $100K a month profit when it's automated. Yeah, so this business is obviously super untapped, and you should almost not talk about this, to be honest. But the thing is, the people that knows what they're doing, they will always survive in a saturated business. But this is gonna be hard for beginners soon, so you can talk to them a little bit about the business being super untapped.
How I think about it now is how we were talking about it earlier. Is this is literally comparable to when Shopify really got its big start. You know what I mean? It's definitely, it will never be at the level where you can produce $1 million a month unless we get it super automated. But I could definitely see it in the future, when it's fully automated, producing upwards of 100K easy. Imagine if you got on Shopify when that first came out in 2016, 2017. We'd literally be millionaires right now. Multi-millionaires. It would be insane. I think everybody would, because we got the sauce now. I don't know. It's really crazy that I came upon this. Like I said, it was very random, but I'm really excited to see how big it can get. And and I want to help a couple young cats get into the game and help them make their first couple $1,000s. That'd be pretty cool. The way I think about it now is I wish I had this when I was 16 years old, because if I knew this right now, man, I would be it would be crazy.
How did you even get into this business? What made you start? How did you get into it?
Well, I started with Shopify. Remember, me and you were trying to get. I had like a $300 to $1,000 budget that I was willing to spend into it because it was a new business. I've never done it before. I didn't have much success in it. It wasn't my sauce. Actually, I had some success, but it wasn't my style. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say I saw success, but it was never like the thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a month, like how I was imagining it to be. Like how I saw him doing it and other people doing it. It's how it happens. Like not everybody could be a successful Shopify dropshipper. And then I just ended up trying to work on things. I started flipping stuff. I started just doing random things on the internet. Like I ended up doing it, and I had the idea of dropshipping in my head. Like, damn, I could really do this online and do it just in a different way, because I remember I saw a TikTok of someone doing something very similar on Etsy. It's another platform. It's more girl stuff, but I came up with my own strategy and I ended up doing it trial and error, and it started working, and I realized that I didn't have to spend money until I make money. It's kind of like wholesale real estate. Like you're just a middleman, exactly like drop shipping. So I guess in a sense it really is in real life drop shipping. Instead, I don't go and find the products. That's where you spend a much of your time when you're like regularly flipping stuff. You go out and you meet the person, you set up a time, a date. It's a bunch of BS that you don't want to do. This eliminates everything, and it's super easy if you figure out the trials and the errors and the strategies, and you'll eventually learn your way around it. It is very, very efficient, but I don't know. It's very crazy, and I'm very excited.
Yeah, and also make sure you guys subscribe. And for real, like this is the reason to why we're here today. Like a year ago, we had nothing going for ourselves, and you know, I managed to succeed in dropshipping, and he succeeded in this business. And I've seen the stuff he's doing. This stuff is really crazy, and it's definitely proven to work. I know that he knows what he's talking about, super skilled on it. So that is it for the video, guys. You want to get in touch with him, his Instagram is obviously here, but it's in the description anyway, so you guys can hit him up if you have any questions. And that's it. So I hope you guys smash a like and subscribe, as I already said, and be the best you guys can be, because I know all of you guys watching can make this happen. Because like I said, we had nothing going a year ago, and we're not special, so you guys can do whatever you want, guys. And just make sure to smash a like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.